What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Car Garage. Today is another video about the A4 Avant Ultrasport. I got some other stuff to do, as you guys know from the previous video. The car is missing the front lip right here, right? And I have right here a fog lamp that it's busted because I've been driving like that, and probably a rock or something messed it up. So this is what I'm doing today. It's everything what I have right here. So let's start off unpacking everything what's in the boxes. First, I have the front lower valance of the bumper, if that's how you say it. I got the fog lights grills. I have the fog light right here, as you guys can see. Yeah, that's that. This I took them off already, and I need to do the tie rods, which I have them here. If I have time today, I'll do it. If not, another day. But also the car has been throwing me a check engine for coolant temp sensor. So you just start the car and the temp sensor shows that the temperature is like at 280 something, which that's not normal, and the fan turns on. So I bought both of them, so I've been changing both of them. They come with the seals, and these are the part numbers if anyone is interested, right? I got some coolant. Also, I have right here fuel filter, which needs to be replaced. Let's see if I can open it. Yeah. It's just maintenance. Since I got the car, I'm trying to do everything. This is the fuel filter. I have it right here, and also I have the engine mounts. I don't like when the car is at idle. I can feel like the engine mounts, they're already bad, so I got both of them. I think this is the left and this is the right one. Yep. And then there's another find right here, like a really good find that I've been looking since it's a wagon, right? I wanted to do something on the roof, like the roof racks and maybe the box, but we'll see. So it happens I happen to find original roof rack. It's Audi, and I've been searching in the Facebook Marketplace, and looks like someone was selling it. It's kind of rare probably to find this one, and it's brand new. I opened the box, and this is what's in the box. This is that, and of course it comes with the wrench or the key and the rubber. This is that they go on top of here. So probably this one the last, but right now I gotta start and drain the coolant. I have this one off so it can cool off faster. I'm gonna drain the coolant. I'm gonna change the sensor, which one it's right here on the back and one it's on the bottom of the radiator. And then after that I'll be installing the front bumper, the lower section, right? Don't mind the right there, that's from a different car, it's not from this one. So yep, let's start working on it. All right, so the car is up in the air. This is how it looks underneath. Clean. I don't see any oil leaks. Yep. So we're gonna drain the coolant. Gonna drain the coolant from here. This is the sensor, this is the gray sensor, and then there is the green sensor, which is behind the cylinder head. So yeah, and then be installing the front bumper. First the fog lamp, which is right here, pretty easy, and then I'll see if I can do the bumper like that. If no, I will be removing it and installing it properly. We'll see. Also the tie rods, I have to change the tie rods. They are all the way there because they've been doing since I bought the car. So I've been doing like slowly maintenance, and yeah, this is how the car looks underneath. Very clean. Yeah. So let's start working. So while draining the coolant, I'm gonna check out how to remove the engine mounts. This one looks like it's pretty bad leaked, and this one probably is not that far. So I'm gonna be replacing both right now. I'm gonna check up the engine a little bit with an engine stand, and try to remove the bolts, one here and one on the top, same here. Okay, passenger side, the engine mount is out, the new one goes in. So yep, I loosened the bolts, I jacked up the engine all the way up from one side, and there you go. You wiggle it out, it comes out, and then you put the new one in. Okay, this is the driver's side one. This is the one that was leaking more. There's it, it's on the side. So yeah, this is the new one going in. Alright, engine mounts installed. 1, 2. Now I have to put this bracket for the snap mount, because when I lifted up the engine, this one was hitting right here, so I had to remove that. And then I'll proceed with the coolant temperature sensors, because I drained the coolant already. Old sensor is out, as you guys can see. It's been used, right? And that's the new one. I'm gonna put some grease around here so it seals better, and then we'll move to the top one. Okay, the second temperature sensor, it's right here. I removed this pipe so it can be more accessible, so it's down right there, the green one. So I'm gonna be removing the plug and removing the sensor and replacing it. Got the second one out. Looks like this one, see right there, was leaking from inside already. So I'm guessing this one was the one with the fault. So yeah, this one is trash, and got the new one. I'm gonna be installing it. Fast forward, I removed the bumper so it can be easier to install the lower side of the bumper, draining the windshield washer fluid. Yeah, I thought this is gonna be easier to install, so I have everything here. One thing though, the fog lamp that I got, it's not the correct one. They sent me the wrong one, so I have to return it. I already ordered the correct one, but probably that's gonna be easier to replace because the grill comes here, so it only has 2 bolts here, probably one in the back. So skip that one. I'm gonna try to install this one right now and see how it goes. All right guys, this is how it came out so far with the ugly fog lamp, of course, because I received the wrong one. Yeah, so the bumper is in. Now I have to do the grills. Let's see how the grill's gonna come out. Hopefully gonna look good. And of course it needs a wash. Yeah, because I just wiped it down a little bit, and but it's cold outside, so we'll see. One of these days I'll give it a wash. Yeah, like that. Let's get the other one. Fog lamp is pretty easy, just 2 bolts and it comes out. Hopefully not gonna cut myself right here. Yeah, like this. And the middle one. Just like that, clips in, and the tug frame stays here. It's gonna look better. So this one's not gonna fall. Yeah, kind of like that. Okay, next guys, we're moving to the fuel filter. So fuel filter is right here underneath the car, passenger side by the rear wheel. So this is the fuel filter. I'm gonna be removing this cover so I can have more access. And then there's a bolt right here, Torx, that is holding the bracket, and it's holding the fuel filter. So yeah, this one should be easy to replace. Fuel filter installed already. I already checked if there is no leaks. I started the car, there is no leaks. So yep, I'm gonna put just the cover back on and it's good to go. Pretty much is all done, the car, except for the roof rack. I'm gonna pull the car outside from the lift, like right here, and then we're gonna install the roof rack. And also, I haven't done the tie rods because it's weekend and I don't want to drive the car with misalign. So I'm gonna schedule the alignment to the shop, and then I'll do it before taking it the tie rods. So now I want to do a quick mod, which I had in my other Audi. So the blower valve or the diverter valve is controlled by this solenoid right here, right under the intake manifold. There is one solenoid and there is another one around here. So it's controlled by the solenoid. What I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna disconnect it from the solenoid, leave the solenoid disconnected, just the vacuum. It's not gonna pop up check engine or anything. I'm gonna add another piece of the vacuum line, and I'm gonna feed it from the intake manifold. So right here I'm gonna install a T to this, and this one to the vacuum line on the diverter valve. So that one, what I felt on my previous car when I had it, it kind of gives instant boost, so the diverter valve stays closed, and when you change gear or so pretty much it's like a quick spool up to say. So yep, this is what I'm gonna be doing right now. So I ended up using it from here, from this vacuum line that where the solenoids get feed from. So I just install a piece of vacuum right here, T. This one goes to the diverter valve, which is down there, and this one goes how it was from here to feed these two solenoids. So what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna turn the diverter valve the opposite way. So I'm just gonna switch it, and should be all good. All right, this is how the car looks with the roof rack on. Yep, and let's see how it looks from the front. This is how the car looks with the lower part of the bumper installed, which I think looks pretty good. The only thing that's messy right here is the fog lamp, but it's not a problem. Fog lamp, gonna replace it soon because it's on the water. But yeah, I think the roof rack came out really nice. So I hope you guys like this video. Please share and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video.